Hey, welcome again to the channel Side Hustle Pursuit, the channel that helps you look for another 9 to 5, something that you really like to do. And in this video here, we're going to talk about this really cool website called fontsquirrel.com. The whole point of showing you this video in particular is maybe you've seen a font on a shirt, especially print on demand, or maybe you've seen something in a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and you're saying, what font is that? Well, what we're going to do by example here is go to Etsy, for instance, and let's say you are into print on demand, and let's say you're in the niche of camping shirts. And so what I did was I scrolled down, I looked at a variety of these here, and I want to just keep it simple for practical reasons. But what I did was I took a snippet of this shirt here, specifically the word staff, because I wanted to figure out what type of font was being used in this right here. So what I did was I took a snippet and then I went to the fontsquirrel.com, and then what you're going to want to do, the next step is go to font identifier right there. Once you go to font identifier, upload the image, figure out where you stored it on your computer, and then it will start to read it accordingly. So now that we have it there, we can go ahead and we can specify getting this closer in. We just want to focus on just those letters, right? Once you do that, you can go to this right here where it says Maturate It. Click on that, and this will find you the best possible resources for that type of font. So as you scroll down, you can see it's pretty close, right? But what I also want you to notice too is on the right-hand side that you have to pay for some of these fonts, right? But some of them are free. So we can see how accurate the image was with some of these here, and there is a bit of a variety and variation in some of this. But let's say, for instance, you like this one right here, and it says this one is free. We'll click on it, but you need to pay close attention to a few things, one of which is, can we use this for commercial use? You can see right here, it says license free for personal use. Commercial use? No. So we want to find something that's good for commercial use. Let's look at this one here, and let's scroll down. And again, no commercial use. So it's important to figure out where you want to use this and how you want to identify with the actual font itself. And that's something that you can do down the road. But the most important thing is figuring out how do you look at a font from a shirt, say like from an Etsy, image that you may be interested in, and say, okay, what font are they actually using? So using font identifier, using the Font Squirrel site is going to help you out in your business. And if you're interested in more videos just like this, especially with print on demand, and that's a lot of the focus of some of my videos on the channel, be sure to subscribe for more just like this. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next one.